Watch out for the dragons. They're watching. So let's show them how to draw it. I want to make one mean looking flying lizard. And it might even spit some fire if we're lucky. I will define a body, big blob. My dragon will have a long neck and a head. And one might think that when one would make a dragon, one would need one dinosaur and a pair of wings. And that might not be entirely a lie. Actually, that's the truth. You know how to draw a dinosaur? You know how to draw a dragon. It's not that complicated. Okay, so big wings. Gonna have some legs here. Gonna have a belly. Gonna have a tail. And I am already in a lot of trouble. I don't have a lot of space, so we're gonna make a curly tail. So I'm interested. What's your favorite dragon? Let me know. I'm excited to see what it is. Gonna have an open mouth here. I did draw a comic with some dragons a year or two ago. That was actually a lot of fun. And before that I hadn't really drawn dragons before. And I'm kind of using a bit of the similar approach. Our dragon is gonna be a battle dragon, and that's why he's gonna have a ripped wing over here. Yeah, so I did this comic with two dragons. One that never learned how to spit fire, which he was kind of sad about. Yeah, so not that big of a deal. We're adding a bit of details here to the wing. And some might say that a dragon wouldn't need arms, because that's the wings. But I do like arms on my dragons, so let's just add a couple of claws here. That's it. And now, I don't know if you noticed, but every time I make a drawing like this, I usually color them and put some shading on. And yeah. Down in the comments there's a link to my Instagram and ArtStation and Deviant Artsy profiles. You should really go check it out right now. Or maybe after the video. Or maybe before the video. I don't care, just check it out. We can be friends! We can be friends on Instagram! Whatever. Okay, we reached the face down here. Let's see. Gonna define some eye sockets. Eyebrows, whatever. He's gonna have some horns here, or whatever dragons have. Big eyebrows. And some evil ass eyes. These long crocodile pupils. And some nostrils. Can't have a dragon that don't breathe. And what about a nice and sharp horn? Oh, gotta have some teeth. Teeth, 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 teeth. Could at least smile. Dumb lizard. Got some teeth here as well. I really don't have a lot of space on this. And you know what? That head is a bit too big as well. Did you notice that? Changing the eyes from big to small made it less cartoony. Make it spread a bit. Hey, that's kind of tricky. Yeah, you know what? It's kind of weird. Knowing how to spit fire. I wish I could do that. I would be spitting all day. Yeah. I did not plan this out all that well. It's really not a lot of space. Okay, now that we changed that, we can make this wing a bit bigger. Maybe make this wing a bit smaller. Gonna turn the tail a bit too. Yep. And you know what? Hey, I'm back! What the hell were you doing up there? Let's look at this dragon. I was just saying, this face does not look like a face that's throwing up fire. So we gotta it a bit. You know what I mean? I don't know what I mean. I just say stuff. I really do try to not keep this embarrassing and awkward. Please let me know how it went. Okay. There we go. I think we have a bit better understanding of this fire. Fix this a bit. Yep. Okay. Hey, I think we're getting there. Gotta just give him some nice toes. Oh, look at my pedicure. Who said that? He has 3 toes on each beautiful foot. He has 3 claws on each beautiful hand. I think we are basically done. We can give him a bit smoke. Never hurt anyone. Yeah, this dragon is on fire. Internally. Hey, you know what? Doesn't look like an evil dragon. Gotta have some spiky spikes. Some sharp little teeth down his back. A sharp spine. An evil looking ass. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Hey, that's our dragon. As I mentioned, go take a look at the finished piece. You can find it at various locations. Thanks for watching. This has been fun. Let's see what we can do next time. Hit me up with a good idea if you have one. See ya.